Welcome to Bournemouth. We'd like to take you on a virtual tour to introduce our town centre master vision and show you some of the unique opportunities for investment. With 7 miles of award-winning golden beaches, one of the UK's top conference venues, 2 large performance venues, outstanding universities, an airport about to undergo a £45 million redevelopment, and excellent road and rail links to the capital, Bournemouth has a lot to be proud of. The conurbation is a magnet to some world-class firms, and its 435,000 residents include a huge pool of talented workers. But there isn't room for complacency. Through the town centre vision, we hope to work with the private sector to make good use of currently underexploited assets, some of which are surface car parks, and to enhance Bournemouth as a premier destination. Our tour starts here, on the eastern edge of the town. The road sweeping down towards the sea is a prime route and has close links to 2 potential development sites. The first, to the left of this image, is a car park next to the 5-star Royal Bath Hotel and a stone's throw from the seafront. It's called Bath Road South and covers 0.45 hectares. The second, to the right of the image, is Bath Road North car park. At 1.29 hectares, it has planning permission for a major casino and is next door to Bournemouth's historic pavilion, part of which is currently being converted into a world-class dance centre. As you approach Bournemouth's pier, the road becomes a flyover, which forms the border between Bournemouth Gardens and Pier Approach. Through the vision, we'd like to revamp Pier Approach, removing much of the clutter and better defining the space as the window to our town. The big reddish building in front of you is the Bournemouth International Centre, which hosts everything from large rock and pop concerts to multi-hall business conferences. There's scope to better link this building with Pier Approach to increase its trading potential. The car park next to the Bix Dome is Beacon Road. It's a 0.67 hectare site currently housing 44 parking spaces. It's one of the sites the council hopes to work with the private sector to develop. This site, formerly the Winter Gardens Concert Theatre, is one of the assets we'd like to invest. It will operate as a temporary tourist attraction until we're ready to work with our private sector partner to develop it. Occupying 1.86 hectares, the site enjoys some great sea views. It's almost equidistant from the beach and the main shopping quarter, and is suitable for a residential and leisure development. Opposite the Winter Gardens is another potential development site, Eden Glen Car Park. It enjoys beautiful views into Bournemouth Gardens and covers 0.2 hectares. Commercial Road, Christchurch Road and Westover Road are the heart of the town shopping area. Through the vision, distinct retail zones will be encouraged, pavements widened and space better planned to provide all-weather cafe culture. A programme of events and new attractions will boost the town's visitor appeal. Businesses are also in line for benefits through the vision. We hope to bring incubator units for new businesses and affordable workspace to attract and retain new and established industries. Now let's return to the eastward approach to the town and take a look at 3 more development sites: Glenfern, Berry Court and Central Car Park. Central covers 1.24 hectares, has great sea views and is ideal for a residential development. Increasing the number of town centre residents will ensure the town is always vibrant and will help generate trade for new and existing businesses. Westover Road is a key area for improvement through the vision. It borders Bath Road North Car Park, one of our major development sites on offer. Westover Road has 2 cinemas, and the reddish building on the left-hand side is Bournemouth Pavilion, overlooking the seafront and the gardens. We'd like to revamp the forecourt, removing much of the parking and creating a town square with water features. In fact, the whole of Westover Road is in line for improvements through the vision. It's part of a bid to restore its status as the Bond Street of Bournemouth. The thick tree cover marks the start of Bournemouth's award-winning gardens. The vision will improve views into the gardens by thinning tree cover, and other projects for this area are under consideration. Our tour so far has included the core town centre sites. 16 sites belonging to the council are on the table, totalling over 10 hectares. The vision will include some underground parking to help replace overground spaces. Leighton Mount and Madeira Road West in the Lansdowne area are also offered to the partnership. They total 1.18 hectares and each enjoys close links to the travel interchange, the town centre university campus and the Wessex Way. Another nearby site is Cotlands Road, within the town's main business district, a stone's throw from the station and covering 0.86 of prime development land. Also close to the Wessex Way, which is the main route out to Poole in the west and east to Southampton and London, and within the town centre, are the Town Hall Annex, St Stephen's Road and Richmond Hill, 3 sites totalling over a hectare. Other sites within the western town centre boundary which are offered into the partnership include Durley Road, 0.32 hectares, and West Hill Road, 0.33 hectares. This is a unique opportunity. The assets on offer have a potential gross development value in excess of £330 million. Working with the private sector, we can realise that value and bring tangible improvements for those who live in, work in or visit Bournemouth. Our special thanks go to the experts at Infoterra for their work on this Scape DVD.